Welcome to Understand the Math. Let's look at some examples of finding the measure of angles in a triangle. In our first problem, we need to find the measure of angle alpha. We start by using our first property that tells us that the sum of the three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So we can write 25 degrees plus 110 degrees plus alpha is 180 degrees. So we add 25 and 110 and we get 135 degrees plus alpha is equal to 180 degrees. We can now solve for alpha by subtracting 135 from each side of the equation. So we have alpha is equal to 180 degrees minus 135 degrees, and we're left with 45 degrees. In our second and last example, we have a triangle where angle A is 3x degrees, angle B is 5x minus 3 degrees, and angle C is 47 degrees. We'll begin like we did in our first example, and we'll write down the angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. Now let's plug in what those angles are. Angle A is 3x. We can leave out the degrees for right now, and we'll put that in at the end. Plus angle B is 5x minus 3. Plus angle C is 47, and that all equals 180 degrees. Let's combine the variables and the numbers on the left-hand side. So 3x plus 5x is 8x, and then 47 minus 3 is 44. And on the right-hand side, we have 180. We want to solve for x, so we'll subtract 44 from each side of the equation. So that gives us 8x is 180 minus 44, which is 136. We'll now divide each side of the equation by 8. So we have x is 136 divided by 8, which is 17. Now we're not quite done. We know what x is, but now we have to find what the angles are. So we'll go over here and we'll say angle A is 3x. So this is 3 times 17, which is 51 degrees. Angle B is 5x minus 3, which is 5 times 17 minus 3. We're almost running out of room, but we do have enough room. So this gives us 85 minus 3, which is 82 degrees. And let's go ahead and box those answers. I often talk with students about built-in checks to be able to see if you've done a problem right. So one of the built-in checks with this type of a problem is that we can add all three angles up and make sure that they come to 180 degrees. So if we add 47 degrees plus 51 degrees plus 82 degrees, we can see that we have 180 degrees, and that means that we've done all of our algebra correctly. I hope that you now feel more comfortable finding the measure of angles in a triangle. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.